Good morning from Washington State here. It's 45 degrees right now, close between Seattle and Tacoma areas. We just open the doors for the ducks and goose to waddle their way around, and bath time is over, for now anyway. And I was just thinking, last night I was hearing the weirdest noise and I can't figure out what it is. And this is really pretty much a video for hearing people. I'm asking you, if you know birds in this area, what is a bird at nighttime that, like, it makes a call that's a double? It goes, it's really like high pitch, it's like really high pitch, but it's a double. It goes over and over all night long. I'm just curious if you know. I'm gonna play a video with this sound. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but hopefully you'll be able to. Let me know if you know what that is. I've looked on YouTube for several different sounds, and so far not anything really matches. It's not a nightingale, it's not a robin, it's not any kind of owl that I found. I thought maybe it's a killdeer bird. I don't know. Let me know if you know this bird sound, okay?